Hey everybody, if you are a step deck truck driver, I need your opinion on something. This is my current rig that I use to transport my inventory from Brady, Texas out to Norco, California. So this is what I use. I either meet someone halfway and swap trailers, or I do what I'm doing right now and drive all the way from Norco, California out to Brady, Texas. If you were in my shoes, would you keep running this setup right here, or you think I should just upgrade to a step deck semi? It's for my own personal, my own loads. I'm not for hire. So this is what I got. So we're gonna hop in the truck here. I just wanted to make a video. Hopefully someone can help me out, give me some advice. I'm really thinking about getting a step deck and a semi truck. Specifically, I want to get a Freightliner Cascadia and probably a 53-foot step deck is what I'm thinking here. So what we do as a business, again, I'm not a truck driver. We manufacture horse and livestock fencing and corrals out of Texas, and then we bring it to our store in California. It's just cheaper that way for us as far as overhead goes, but obviously we do have the
say that he's all right.
We do have the increased trucking costs now, especially with the fuel prices with the way they are right now. So right now it costs me about, I'd say somewhere between $1,500 to $18. I'm sorry, it cost me anywhere between $1,500 to $1,800 to run back and forth from SoCal to Brady, Texas, which is Central Texas. So, and I do have my commercial driver's license because I used to be a lineman, believe it or not. I was a lineman, so they make you get your commercial driver's license to drive the work truck. So I do have my Class A driver's license. And so I just want to see what you guys thought. If you went out there, would it be much more worth it for me just to get a step deck semi? Especially since, because I'll be able to, I won't have to get hotel rooms no more. Because I'll usually get a room, 1 or 2 nights. Like one room on the way there and one room on the way back. But you tell me, what do you think? Put in the comments. I'm sure a lot of people know a lot more about me. What's a way I could test this theory too? Like I know I can get a Freightliner Cascadia for somewhere between 60 to 70 grand used, and I'm thinking about just leasing the trailer to see if it works out, and if it works out good, because obviously I'm gonna be able to haul a lot more of my inventory on one load. Is what I'm thinking. So I tried to do some of the math in my head, and I should be around the same cost of fuel as hauling with this truck right here, this rig. Because obviously when this 40-foot trailer is fully loaded, I get probably, when this truck's fully loaded with the steel, my corrals, it's probably 7 miles a gallon. And I think that's about what I would get on the Freightliner Cascadia, but I'd be loaded to the moon. I'd have a lot more inventory on that trailer. Plus I can sleep in it. I can sleep in the back, in the sleeper. So if you are a step deck truck driver, please let me know what you think about that. And also, if you're hauling lots of loads out to Texas and you're coming back empty, give me a call. Shoot me a message or an email. I always put my email in the video description. My name's Aaron. Collie Park is just the name of my YouTube channel. And like I said, we did recently move our manufacturing out to Texas. We were in Phoenix, Arizona, but our overhead was getting pretty high. We were renting in Arizona, and now we own a big building in Brady, Texas with much lower overhead. And we're also closer to the steel mills. So I know a lot of people, especially step deck drivers, I'm getting a phone call, my brother's calling me. If you're a step deck driver, please let me know what you think about my hypothesis. Should I get a step deck and a semi, or should I keep rolling with the big techs and the Ram 3500? Thank you very much.